Is it dirty? Are you in your pretty tractor?
I'm on free track.
Can you shift? There you go.
Ah!
How about, can you steer? Is that your pretty tractor?
Just cold.
Are you cold?
I'm cold.
Are you cold? You want to get down?
No.
We gotta go to McDonald's. We gotta go to McDonald's.
What are you going to eat there?
What are you gonna have at McDonald's?
And french fries and nuggets.
French fries and nuggets? Good.
Okay, let's get down then, sweetie. Let's go bye-bye.
Daddy'll help you.
That's the mom.
Okay, shut off the tractor. Shut it off. Shut it off with the sticks. Yeah, the sticks. Shut it off. Wanna get down? Should we go to McDonald's? Yeah, good job. All shut down.
I'll shut down.
The tractor's all shut down.
I'll shut down.
Yup.
Open that.
Say bye-bye, tractor.
Bye-bye, tractor. Bye-bye, free house.